Alright guys, it is dark as hell back here. So we're going to turn this light on and see how bright it really is. Jesus Christ, look at that. Look how bright that is. It's almost like it's brighter than the sun. We're going to turn on, that's low, that is the strobe, and that is the laser. Look at that. And if I turn the light off, we see how dark it really is back here. Now that is some lights behind us, but this joker is really, really bright. Look how bright that is. And that's the low setting. Of course, you can see how a big difference in that. And of course, we have the strobe. Back to the laser, as you can see it. But this is really bright. Now, I wouldn't say it's 10,000 lumens. It doesn't really tell you what it is, but it is a very bright light. And this is, we're going to move to a section where it's going to be pitch black and dark. And you're going to see how bright it is. We're heading back to the pit dark part, where there's almost no light. See, it's dark. And look how light this is.